Hey y'all, so today we're going to be unboxing my new nail drill from Saviland Official. We're going to get into the contents of this box. Because your girl needed a new nail drill. If you know, you know. It shows you what's in the box. This drill does rotate at 50,000 RPMs. Okay. Fitted thou. Fitted thou wow. Isn't she pretty? Like, get into it, yeah. It's cute. I like that. So, get back into the box. Her. She's cute. She's super cute. It's a 6,000 mAh, 12 hours of battery. It is bilateral for lefties and righties. It has a 5-color changing mode to like show you like the distinctive speeds that you're at. Who else doing it like that? Who else? Tell me. Who? And look at the box. The box is tea. But yeah, you are a DIYer, somebody who likes to do your nails at home. Something for you, poop. Something for you. And it's not that expensive. Like, it is not expensive. Her body tea. Tea. I can't get over this box. This box is so freaking cute. I love anything like shimmery. I don't know. It does it for me. Am I ashy, bro? I put on lotion. I'm ashy. It is what it is at this point. Thank you for choosing Saviland. Your support and trust me in the world to us. We hope our products bring joy to your nail experience. May this gift ignite confidence and celebrate your inherent beauty. I'm not crying. You are. Remember, if you're a DIYer, you never use a nail drill, you never used a product like this, you need to be opening this pamphlet up and you need to be reading. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You need to be reading. Thank you for choosing us. We are proud to provide the best nail and art experience with our products. If you are satisfied with our products, please share your shopping experience, which is very important to us. Saviland, I like y'all. Because this is very cute. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the little face. Okay, look. If you're happy, right? Look, if you're happy. And then if you are unhappy, can you see it? It's so cute. You cannot tell me that's, you can't tell me that's not cute. If you're telling me it's not cute, I don't care. Save it. Save it for somebody who cares. Let's got this balloon. The pamphlet is just so cute. This is so cute. Like, it's so cute. And then it even tells you about the, see, that's why I say it's good for DIYers, because it tells you about the nail bits and what each one is supposed to do. They do include some bits for you. And they include some sanding bands, and I don't think you can tell on this camera, or maybe you can. Okay, you can. So don't look at my cuticles. We've been through some things this month, okay? I made it to the breezy bowl with these joints, okay? And they still holding up. But yeah, so we got the coarse, and, you know, to the medium, the fine. They ate. They ate because they're not done. You thought they were done? They're not done. Honey, behind that, but they also give you these bits as well. This is nice. No other drill I've ever gotten has come with this many bits. Like, no other company gives you. Nobody. Like, I've seen these, yes, but nobody else. Nobody else. Get both of these. Nobody's outdoing y'all, Saviland. Nobody's outdoing y'all. Do y'all see? Like, nobody is outdoing them. I'm sorry. So far, I have not seen anybody else include this many things in their drill bit, in their drill kit. If you don't know what these do and you are a DIYer, you can check back to that pamphlet so you know what everything is for. This is so cute. And she's not like heavy. Where I was talking about the lefty and righty functionality, I have to do like a little zoom in, you know, video for my own purposes. But yeah, so the lefty and righty comes into play. where you can put your handpiece to the left, or you can pop it out and put it to the right. So if you're lefty, you're righty, anybody could use it. Purposely for me, I like it on the right side, so we gotta put it on the right. And un momento. And this is a handpiece. She's cute in herself. You see her. It says Saviland on the side. I like this cut, diamond cut. That's really cute. That is super cute. And she's not heavy either. Like I'm gonna be writing, girl. You're gonna be going side to side and around and around. That's the lock and unlock features. Y'all, there's more stuff under here other than the cord. To give you more sanding bands, file, and a buffer. And they're purple. So cute. And you get a little dusty brush. Y'all, it has. Check out the freaking handle, bro. Like, can you see the handle? I don't think the camera doesn't do justice. But this, it's like an iridescent pink, but like it's clear on the outer part. And then the little purple bristles. So cute. Okay. And your cord is located under that, along with your charging cord. It's a USB-C. USB-C. Alright, so we're gonna plug this bad boy up. They are the same. I just had to make sure. Make sure you make sure too. The same type of cord. So assembly complete. Keep it away from acetone. Chemical solvent. Let's get into turning her on. Her button is on its top. And so we're just gonna put a bit in it. In it. Yeah, lock it back. So unlock it first. She has a pause button. So let's say you're working and you just want to pause it, you don't want to turn it a little down. She has a pause button. Yeah, she's at 5, 6. And then as you go higher, she does change colors. So now she is at blue. And that is at what? 23. 27, 28, 30. So when you get to 31, she switches over to a red. I would say you never need to be that high. You never need to be that high. Never. Never, ever, ever. Okay? If you know what that's from, shout out to her. I like her. She's so funny. She's so pretty too. This is a quiet girl. So I went and found a random little nail that I was doing, whatever. With this, I would say like 32 if you're using this type of bit. And so I did decide to swap out my bit right quick for a two times course, extra course. And this is a little stopper I use to help from getting dust inside of my handpiece. I do have them linked in my Amazon storefront. Get into it. It's still on 32. To remove some acrylic off of this practice nail that I have. And this color combo tee, like I was looking at something on Instagram when they did this color combo. It was so tea, like 𝕋𝕚𝕜 𝕋𝕚𝕜, what are you doing here? I don't think it picks up the dust coming out there. And most of the time I do have a dust collector in here with me. But yeah. Like I said. Yep. I think I'm just gonna remove the green part so you can see right quick. I'm really just taking my precious time, but let me just go ahead and cut through. The Saviland part lights up. Like I think that's so cute. With the removal, 32 is at its speed. All in all, I would recommend this drill. if you are looking for a drill. She's on pause right now again. I want to turn on. Click of a button. Instead of having to dial all that back up, pause. Functionality, I feel like that's something amazing that they have integrated into the drills now. Like, smart people. Very smart. Saviland nail drill. You have done it for me, honey. She's done it for me, girl. She's so cute. She's so cute. Look at the, and it lights up. Like, that's what I'm saying. I love the light up portion. Like, this is so cute. Hey, y'all did that. Y'all did your thing. But she's so cute.